So the team and communication is essential to you. So what software methods do you use? For example, there's the Agile Scrum and such. So which one do you use, and how important would you say it is for you as a manager and for your team, especially given the nature of your position?
Yeah, so waterfall, I believe there might be some organizations might still be using, maybe the government projects and all. It's pretty slow in nature. Uh, at least we're not using it anymore. We kind of moved away from it years ago. Um, Agile Scrum is critical in the sense that it's adaptability, right? So information is continuously evolving in our everyday life, in our everyday business environment. The priorities are shifting, uh, and technologies are shifting. So, so Agile Scrum is basically all about, hey, we are a mindset where we are continuously adapting and changing things. So, for example, so let's say yesterday, the information I had is we would do XYZ. Today I may end up, somebody may have communicated with me saying like, hey, I knew we communicated to you, let's say a product manager or some from somebody from product side. Say, hey, yes, I didn't ask, the lead, we communicated to you that this would be needed by XYZ, but you kind of find out this morning from the compliance team that this needs to be done by ABC, not XYZ. Meaning things have changed. So now you have to adapt to this new information. And that is what basically Agile Scrum is all about. So the most important thing about Agile Scrum, it allows us to adapt and shift priorities as needed. And then secondly, uh, collaborate and communicate with the team in a continuous manner, right? So it could be as simple as this. You asked me a questions 5 minutes ago. Hey, how do you do this? I gave you an answer. Let's say after 5 minutes and I have a new information. Now I'm able to change that answer. So that's what the Scrum is all about. So as things evolve, as needs found, you continuously evolve to this new changing environment. And then you collaborate, because there are 9 out of 10 times you may know something your team member does not know, or your team member knows something that you don't know. So the idea is we want to create a collaborative environment where the knowledge that is missing by an individual is achieved from another, or learned from another individual, and that another individual learns something from the other individual. So that's the collaborative environment, and there's no room for ego here. We continuously help each other. That is the sort of mentality that we need to cherish, and in a continuous collaborative environment.
No, thank you.
And Agile Scrum is extremely critical
Yep.
for it.
So yeah, but so he mentioned the adaptability and continual learning. So and we bring the Agile Scrum. This is all, they're all same behind the scene. The meaning is the same. The changing, shifting mindset, collaboration, and these are the actually key. These are nothing technical, but this will be you'll be facing, or you'll be performing, you'll be practicing in your day-to-day job. And that's exactly the expectation when you actually step in the IT job, especially in the software development, which is the largest, the largest industry in the whole world, because they're all about the automation. Remember he mentioning, I just look for the automation, means where we can automate something, means that nowadays we're doing manually. Let's do automate this. Means let the machine do the action for us. We give our responsibility to machine, so machine help us. We just put the less effort, and the collaboratively machine and me perform the job. So these are very important.
Definitely.